So in Corel Draw, you can see that this is the interface that you get by default right here. Over here on the left hand side, you got the tools, and over here on the right hand side, you can see that you got the colors. On the top, you got the menus and so forth. If you want to go around and change around the workspace, then you can go around onto the welcome screen right here, just like this, and you can see that workspace is an option. So right now you're on the default workspace, as you can see right here. But if I were to go around onto light workspace, if I were to go around and click it, then you get a more light version of the workspace right here with lesser options, but more important options right here. Click on the default one, then you got a bit more options right here. If you want it more to your more aligned to touch screen, then you can go around over here onto touch right here, and what happens is that the interface that you get right here becomes bigger and is more optimized for touch right here, just like this. So let me just go around and press the plus button right here, and you can see that immediately everything is much more larger right here. So over here in the welcome screen, if I were to go for illustration right here, then it becomes more aligned towards illustration right here. The color palette comes on to the bottom, as you can see right here, and over here on the right hand side you can see the options right here, just like this and so forth. And over here on the left hand side you got the options to work around with shapes right here, as usual. So if I were to go around over here, you can also go around onto the page layout section right here. So once you go around onto the page layout, you got the guidelines, and then you got the pages right here, just like this, and the color moves on to the right, as you can see right here. You can also go around towards Adobe Illustrator right here. And once you go around towards that, then it goes more onto like Adobe Illustrator layout. So if you're coming from Adobe Illustrator onto Corel Draw, then this layout will help you out right here. So if I were to go around onto default, then you can see that it goes back right here onto the default view right here. So just like this, you can go around and access different workspaces right here, just like this. So if I were to go around onto Windows, you have access to workspace around over here as well, and you can go around and access out the different workspace like light, like default, from around over here as well. So let's just go around over here onto default right here, just like this. And this is how you can go around and access different workspaces inside of Corel Draw. So if I were to go around and work around with it right here, then it becomes easy to, let's say for example, draw out elements as I like right here in the workspace of my choice. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.